Hello, Library 6. So here I'm going to show you how to create a Word document in Office 365 so you can write your summary for Chapter 7. So I'm starting off here on our Schoology page, and I just wanted to explain a couple of things first. So if you scroll down, you'll notice that we have our Chapter 7 materials posted here. You need to go through each of these in order. So the first thing you should click on is Read Chapter 7 of Bud Not Buddy and complete items 1 through 3. So in here it tells you that you should be listening to my read aloud. Make sure you do listen to it because I have added some important information in there that you need to hear. So make sure you watch that. Follow along in your book as I read. What do you think Bud will do next? You need to answer that on the discussion board. So you would come out of the Chapter 7 materials and you're going to answer that right here. And what do you think Bud will do next? Number 2, complete your Tracking Bud's Rules Organizer for rule number 16 in Chapter 7. That you will do on the paper that's in your folder. Just keep it in your folder and you'll turn it in at a later date. And number 3, write your summary for Chapter 7. So you can do this in 2 ways. You can create a Word document in Office 365, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Or you can take a picture of your handwritten assignment that you have in your folder and submit it here. Okay, so to create a document in Office 365, you're going to go to My Apps, which if you're in Schoology, you probably know how to do this already. But if you don't, it's myapps.stanfordcs.org. It will ask you to sign in, and you'll come to a page that looks like this. You're going to click on Office 365. Once you get there, you're going to click on Word Document and a new blank document, and start off summary for Chapter 7. You can also give your document a title simply by clicking right here. It will say probably Document 1 or Document and whatever number. To save your document name, you just have to click on it like I just did, and then we'll name it Summary Chapter 7. And then you'll be writing your summary in here. As we all know, a summary is the most important details that occur in the chapter. I'm asking you to write a good paragraph of at least 5 sentences, and you'll be using specific details from the text in your summary. Once you've written your summary, you'll be able to find your document on your OneDrive. So you can go ahead and click OneDrive. And the easiest way to find it is to hit Recent. And you'll see your summary right here. So that's how we create a Word document in Office 365. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you enjoy the reading of Chapter 7 and get out and enjoy some of the sunshine. Have a great day.